Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming eligibility and company requirements to join the Google Reseller program. Register as a Google Cloud partner and complete any identity and business verification steps. Decide your reseller model: direct reseller, indirect reseller, or distributor relationships. Set up legal entities, tax ID, a business bank account, and basic accounting systems. Create a pricing strategy that covers margins, support costs, and promotional discounts. Design a simple service catalog listing Google Workspace editions, migrations, and support tiers. Identify target customers like small firms, schools, or nonprofits to focus your outreach. Complete required Google training and certifications to access reseller tools and technical support. Integrate a billing and subscription management system that supports monthly and annual plans. Use migration tools and shared drive strategies to move email, calendar, and files securely. Configure domain verification, DKIM, SBF, and SMTP relay settings for reliable email delivery. Establish a ticketing and SLA process for support, including escalation and response time targets. Offer onboarding packages with training sessions, documentation, and 1 to 3 weeks of support. Track usage and seats closely to avoid surprises and optimize customer billing accuracy. Build a sales funnel with lead magnets, demos, and case studies that highlight outcomes. Set clear reseller agreements that specify pricing, cancellation terms, and data ownership. Price services to preserve at least 15% margin after support and transaction costs. Implement recurring revenue reporting and monthly reviews to forecast churn and growth. Train a sales and support team on demos, objections, and technical troubleshooting steps. Promote value-added services like security audits, backup, and custom workflows for upsells. Scale by automating provisioning, using APIs, and partnering with managed service providers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.